When you create a lesson or an animation using Knowledge Presenter, it's very easy to preview that animation or content on your local machine using commands in the preview menu. Now, what happens when you want to check this lesson, this app you've created, on other devices? The simplest way we can do that is to upload very quickly to the Knowledge Presenter server. And I'm going to show you how quick and easy this is. So what we've done here is opened up one of our sample lessons. If I click on the upload command, we have an option to upload the current app or one that we've previously exported on this local machine. But let's choose the current app. After a moment, we can set a range of options, what it's called, some other settings, but we're going to leave them as they are because we've already finished this lesson. I click on upload, and as you'll see very quickly, it goes through and essentially exports the lesson locally. It then starts uploading it to the server, the Knowledge Presenter server, and after a few seconds, depending on how big the lesson is, you will see this dialog box which allows you to view it directly. So you have a URL that you can go to. You can email that URL to anybody else. You even have a QR code you can use to send to people. But if I click on Launch Your App right now, you can see it goes directly to the Use KP, which is the Knowledge Presenter. It loads up the app, and we're testing it on our local machine, but we could be testing this on our iPad, on our phone, on any other device. Now, one other thing that takes this a little bit further is what we call KP Review It. Now, we can launch the same app in KP Review It, and what that does is loads it up in a system where somebody else, if you give them the URL, there's a few instructions on screen here, allows them to view the lesson or the app, and they can make notes and comments and ratings, give their name and email address, and then they can then email those comments directly to you. So you'll get a comment on a step-by-step basis on how your app is performing from any person you care to get that information from.